Your pet's actual name and all the names you call them. Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this add yours stickers, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to new stickers, and here you have a link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can click on this YouTube link right here, and there you will have a tutorial which shows you how you can fix this problem. And you will also find this link in the first pinned comment of this video. So now let's go to that story. So there we have it, your pet's actual name and all the names you call them. Click on the add yours button, and like I said, if you are not able to click on the add yours, then you can go to that link that I showed you before, or to the first pinned comment. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a picture with your pet if you like. You can place your picture where you want by using your two fingers, and you can place your sticker where you want. After that, you have to go to text from the top of the screen, and here you have to add your pet's name. In my case, Enzo. And then how you call him. Once you did that, you can set a color to this, place it where you want, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah guys, if you want many others viral sticker, you can go to super viral, or to add your stickers at the end. So if you go to super viral, here if you click, you will find all of these viral stickers. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.